Hey, I just wanted to show what we did today. We got a bender from Home Depot and rented it for a little while. We got these 6-inch aluminum flashing rolls, bent them into a Z shape. So we put them on top of our 2-inch EPS foam foundations on the outside. So whenever the skins of the building come in, they're gonna come right down onto here. Any type of rain or snow or any type of moisture should hit this, come down here, and then fall down, not go back up and weep into the top of the foundation. Before we riveted them into place here, we took our liquid nail and ran a bead all around the whole thing as to probably do a little bit more protection than what was absolutely necessary, but it'll help keep these into place. Riveted every about 2.5, 3 feet. These are super lightweight. They're again just to keep the moisture out and keep it from wicking inside the foundation.